Guns. Talking to them about gun safety in your home is a good first step, but you can do more. Always keep your guns locked, unloaded, and stored separately from ammunition.
Good
Safe gun
evening.
storage saves lives. Learn how to make your home safer at endfamilyfire.org. endfamilyfire.org. Brought to you
I just want to show you guys my assembled EM FM receiver. Okay. This EM FM receiver is powered by a regulated DC power supply, which is variable. Okay. The power requirement for this EM FM is actually 9 volts, so I set the voltage of this to 9 volts. This is the plus terminal, and this is the negative terminal going to the power supply of the EM FM receiver at the back. Right now, we are on the EM mode. Okay. I will try to operate this one in the EM mode.
against their dad. To me, this is the kind of violence that we're seeing more and more of during this pandemic.
You see how clear it is?
Yeah, it's horrifying. And there's not a lot to say about that other than just that, I hope that we will all
For this AM receiver,
reach out to someone.
the
I hope that
first
we will
part
all
is
get
the
help that we
AM
need.
antenna.
The Cal Hope you hear it. It just sounds like
Okay.
maybe it's a commercial, but that's actually a resource where you can really
AM
talk to
antenna,
someone for free.
this
A mental
portion
health
here.
professional. They can refer
Next
you to
one
some
is
free
the
help or refer a
AM
friend
mixer
of yours who's going
oscillator,
through the thing,
this
which
portion
just
here.
about everybody is right now.
Okay.
Progressive prosecutor
Next
George
one is
Gascon has
the
become
first
famous, a favorite
AM IF amplifier, this portion
scapegoat for
here.
folks running for the mayor's race. The
Okay.
I guess you could say
The next one is the
police
second
candidates,
AM IF
former
amplifier,
police
this portion here.
commissioner and billionaire Rick Caruso, who once called Maxine Waters the B word to her face.
The
He's
next
running
one
for
is
mayor,
the
and he
AM
has
detector.
now jumped on board the Recall Gascon
The
bandwagon.
last
He
part
needed
is
any
the
more,
audio amplifier,
assurances that this guy
and the
has a D
output
after his
is
name,
supposed to be
for
the
the past
speaker.
couple weeks, but is actually definitely in the R camp.
These are the analog
City
components
Council
over
member
here.
Joe Buscaino, who
It comprises
is also
of
backing the recall, but
small
he is
transistors
a
TO92.
police officer, so that's not at all surprising.
We got some
Most of
electrolytic
them
capacitors.
are currently polling in single
These
digits.
are tuning
That could
coils.
change, especially for Caruso, because he has
Tuning coils is used
boatloads of his
to
own money
tune
spend
the
on that.
receiver
And
to
so,
the desired frequency.
we shall see. But
Actually, in the initial
grassroots organizing is real. We talked about the mass
operation of
LA
this,
County did say that they're going to align with the state's move to end indoor
I
school
try
announcements
to
starting
rotate
March
this one
11th.
here,
So that means all 80 school districts
so
will get to
it
make their
could
own
take
decisions, as we talked
AM
about
stations.
earlier. Angela
So
B.
this is
Burke,
actually
yes. LA
a work
Unified, I don't see them going
of
away.
a technician
I don't
in an
see it.
engineer,
Because
because
it's an agreement with the union. You can't just say, oh, well, we don't want to
it's
do this
easy to
anymore.
assemble,
That's not how it works.
but
If
to
you made
tune
agreement
it
with the teachers union.
to the frequency amplitude modulation, you need to adjust this one.
Yeah, there shouldn't be a rush. I
Okay.
mean, yes.
So these are tunable.
As my friend
If
just texted
the
me, I wanted
AM
to
receiver
do a
cannot
better
get
job of
any
adults
station,
keeping
you
their
try
masks
to
on.
rotate this one
And I think after
okay,
we've gone through all
randomly
this trouble to scare them
till it gets
poor
a
things,
station.
into wearing
That's
masks,
how
we ought
an
to be
AM receiver works.
mindful
This
of
is
just
the
saying, oh,
AM
by the
antenna,
way,
this one.
you don't have to do it anymore.
This is the tuner. The tuner is at the back. This is where
That
you rotate it.
4.1 magnitude earthquake down in Santa Paula and Simi Valley didn't get
Okay.
a lot of play here in
So
LA,
it
but
sounds
always
good, but
take that as
that's
a
an
reminder to get
AM
my
receiver.
earthquake kit together,
I
because
will
you never
repeat
know
it
if
for the last
before
time. The
shock,
first
aftershock,
part is the antenna.
the little brother of
Next
Big
one is the
Caruso.
mixer and its oscillator, this
Everything was
portion here.
timed. Yeah.
The next two portions are the two IF amplifiers, intermediate frequency amplifier, this portion here.
This controversy that's bubbling
The
up,
last part is the
in her
detector.
neighborhood,
Detector is where you segregate the carrier from the sound.
Single family
You segregate the carrier from the sound. That's the detector. And this portion here is the audio amplifier. Actually, we got a TO220 transistor here. TO220, this one with the heatsink. And the last part is the speaker. This is the volume control. So to increase the volume, you just rotate this one here.
Folks coming to the park, many are new to the community. Yes, many of them are not black, and they
That's it, guys.
are very entitled. As we see with
This is a symbol AM/FM receiver for the meantime.
Why should you have your own private gate? You guys are, a bunch of
I just discussed AM receiver. The bottom portion is the AM receiver. The next time around, I will discuss the top portion, that's the FM receiver. Okay? So it works. That's it, guys. That's a simple AM receiver in which you must have to tune these tuning coils here to get a station. And try to assemble it as clean as it is, right? It should be good solder at the back,
So we organized and we created a neighborhood association and hired a
The solder connections at the back should be very good.
The entire
Okay?
community is organizing, raising
It
money
works,
to
man.
fight. And this Scorpio right here, she'll fight. We tried to meet with them. We tried to
That's
talk.
it.
We were told
Good evening, Los Angeles.
that we would only be granted a meeting because a certain politician who lives on the